Hi, this is Robin Scher with On or Off the Grid, and we got ourselves some new bikes. And I went to bicycles.com to look at bike stands to work on the bikes, and these range from $100 to $1,000. So I thought I could come up with a more economical way of doing it, looking at my existing shelving and looking for scraps around my house. I got these metal bars, which are about 35 inches long, and I put some tubing at the end of them. I got some Simpson strong ties, and I used two of these, which I attached to the underside of the shelf, which is about 40 inches above the ground. Here's one shown, it's about 40 inches off the ground. I built a frame out of 2x3 lumber and a piece of lumber holding it transversely, and I placed the two bars in slots I made in the 2x3s into the Simpson strong tie as a fulcrum. And once the bike is placed on this, this will securely hold the bike in place. As you can see here, I'm now able to use this to work on the wheels and the brake systems and other things, and the whole thing was done for under a few dollars. So thanks for watching. This has been Robin Scher, On or Off the Grid. Bye-bye.